Okay, traders, this is Masood from London. The biggest problem of the traders is that most of the traders, 99% traders are, part-time traders. They are doing other jobs and businesses and they do trading part-time. And the biggest problem they face is that they cannot sit in front of the charts all the times. And when they get a chance to go on the charts, some of the times, actually most of the times, they miss the trades. The trades have gone. So the professional traders use different techniques, different methods. Some of them use the paid, methods to get the trade alerts. So that they don't have to sit in front of the charts 24/7, and they just put the alerts on that app or whatever it is. And whenever the trade reaches on that point, they get the alerts on their telephones, mobile phones, and then they can go on the charts and take the necessary action. So now I'm gonna tell you a free method, a free app that you can use absolutely free of cost, that you can use to get the trade alerts. That is going to help you a lot. I mean, that's the biggest problem probably all the traders face. Now you don't have to sit in front of your charts all the times, and you will just use this free app. I'll tell you which app it is, how to use it, and just forget about the charts. And whenever you get the alerts on your phone, you can just then go on the charts and take the necessary action. Before that, my request is that my mission is to make the trading as easy as possible, so that a 12-year-old should be able to do it. Because I don't want to impress people. The people who want to impress people, the traders who want to impress people, they have made the trading very difficult. But I don't want to impress people, I want to help people. So I want to make things as easy as possible. So my request is that if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it to get these easy to use, easy to understand trading, forex trading videos, short videos. Press the bell icon. Some videos are time sensitive, so that you can get the notification on time. And if you like the video, press the like button as well for the YouTube algorithms. Now, what I'm gonna do is that free app is called. You can get it from the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. You go there and write in the search menu Swiss Forex. Its name is Swiss Forex. That's absolutely free. It has a red icon. You will see it. Just download it, and when you will download it, download is complete, there will be a message asking for your permission to send you the notifications. Now you have to allow that, because if you will press don't allow, then you will not get the alerts notification, and there is no point then downloading this app. And then what you will do is, what you will see is that this app, this window is in front of you, and there are some pairs there and red and green buttons. Now on the top left corner, you will see three lines. There are multiple functions that you can have a look and search that you can use this app for free. But what I'm most interested is in the alerts. So what you will do is press on the top left corner. You can see these three lines. Just press on these lines, and you will see this window where it's written in the top. It's written quotes, and underneath, if you see, there is written price alerts. You press on price alerts, and here you will see that this window is absolutely empty. Now, whichever pair you want to put the alert on the left bottom corner, you will see a red color written add alert. You will press that add alert, and this you will see a lot of pairs, which you can scroll up and down, and whichever pair you want to do, put the alert on. For example, Euro USD, just select that, and select the bid. Don't worry about ask. And then there are two arrows. I mean, if you want to select a higher price, for example, you if you look underneath, there is price written, and in the white box the price at the moment is written is 1.18592. Now if you want that, you have marked your levels on this pair over the weekend, and now you think that if this you have marked a level at 1.20 380, for example, and you want that if the price reaches there, you should get an alert. It's an important level that you have marked. So what you will do is that press you select euro USD, select bid, and then this this arrow, it should be if the price you want to price select a higher price, it should be this arrow should be facing the bid. And then you can, if where the price is written 1.18592, you can see a plus sign and a minus sign, both signs. So if you want to increase the price, you can increase by pressing this plus button as well. Either keep on pressing or press and hold, and the price will start going up. Or what you do is just click on this white box where the price is written, and then you will come here, and here you can change the price to whatever price you want. For example, you want 1.20, 765, for example, and you will select that price. Then you press done, and then you press add alert, and in the top of the screen you will see that your price is selected and it is written in progress. So now you don't have to go on the charts and check them again and again. You will when price reaches at this reading, you will get an alert, and then you can go on the charts and take the necessary action. Now if you want to select another pair, you press the add alert again, and then you select for example USDJPY, and you think that it should go down from wherever it is at the moment, 110.137. So you select this arrow facing opposite the bid, and then you click on the price, and you, for example, you want to select 109 point 0.000. You can select that, press done, add alert, and here there you go, USDJPY selected as well. Now when the price hit this level, you will get an alert, and this will make your trader so much easy. It's a headache. All the professional traders use some sort of alert apps, alert methods, and then they are free to do whatever they want to do in their lives, and they just put the alerts in, and when they get the alert, they just go on the charts, and whatever they want to do, they can do from there. And also, there are other, if you press these three lines on the top left corner, you will see that there are many more functions that you can look into, and sort of see whichever you want to use, because there are FX calculator, if you see at the bottom, and then there are patterns. If you press on the pattern, you will see these patterns here. You can just go through them and see if they can benefit you. And also, if you press on in quotes, they are there at the top, quotes. If you press on quotes, here you can see that there are different pairs written there. And also there is this in front of them on the right side, there is this button with red and green color. That is that what that means is, for example, if you press on gold, you want to see that, press on gold, you will see that in the red it's written 39, and in the green it's written 68. What that means is that 68 people have voted that the price will go up, gold price, and 39 have voted that the price will go down for the next whatever period. You can vote that as well, whatever you think. If you think that the price will go down, press on this right, on the red color side where 39 is written. Just press on that. Oh, it's not pressing at the moment for some reason. If you press on, if you think that the price will go up, hold on a second, why is it not pressing for some reason? Let's try USD CAD. Yeah, I mean gold, I think probably for whatever reasons, it was not working. But yeah, I mean USD CAD, if you think that the price will go down, you press on red where 11 is written, and you will come on this window. And then if you think that for a next one day the price will keep on going down, you press day. And if you think if it will keep on going for 1 week or month, you press that, and your vote will be counted there as well. So let's press day. And as you can see that your it's become 12 from 11, so your vote has been counted as well. And if you think that a pair's price is going to go up, so for example USD CHF, you press on green where 31 is written, and for the next week you think it's going to keep on going up, so you press week, and your vote will be counted there as well. So yeah, I mean there are different functions that you can just go through and see if you can get some benefits from there. And yeah, I mean that's it, traders. I mean I hope that this free app will take your trading to next level and save you from a lot of headache. Again, I mean, if you liked the video, you press the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and press the like button as well. Until next video, traders, look after yourselves.